Hello everybody, today I'm making a 180p video of this Hunter Stonebridge ceiling fan, which you see right behind me. So yeah, I'm gonna go over to the control and fire it up. It's nighttime, so that's why the light is already on. Start up on high. Wait, what the heck? I saw it jerk a little bit. That's never happened before. It's got an insane wobble to it. And it's almost 9 o'clock. I should be going to bed soon. Okay, since we're on high speed, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the camera directly under the fan and feel its breeze. Yeah, so for what kind of a fan this is, it's pretty powerful. There's a lot of air. It makes a bit of a noise just because of the wobble. You might be able to hear that. Turn it down to medium. So, excuse me. I've been sick today, so if you kind of hear something that kind of sounds a little bit sicky, I don't know if that's even a word. Is the fan on medium, or did it stall out? This looks slower than its medium. This doesn't even look like medium. Is this off? What did I do? Oh yeah, it's off. Huh. I don't know what the heck happened to it. Oh, there we go. Now it started. It just stalled out. It's been like 2 or 3 months since this fan stalled out like that. It's insane why this fan did that. And of course it's gonna wobble. Go to low. What am I using to hold the camera up? I'm using my recorder. For those of I haven't said anything on YouTube about it, but I play recorder for school. Yeah, it's just weird. Oh shoot! It scared me. I didn't know I was on camera. Oh man, that was a disaster. Yep. So there's low. It's got a nice slow low. And I'll dim the light. No, you won't be able to see the fan. I think about this level, you can still see it. Dim it more. Like if you turn it off completely, you can barely see it. I think I had the right idea to keep it up all the way. But if I like dimmed it, you actually can still see it picking up the camera. And off. I can't do spin down because it's too long and I don't have the memory for it. Yes, don't ask questions about my shirt because for Michigan State Spartans, don't ask a thing about that. Because guess what? I won't reply. So just to keep you guys aware of that. Look at that, I just found the remote for a TV. Been looking for that all day. Should have done a vlog on that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And for after video announcements, I'll be doing those from now on. Basically, now what is gonna happen is pretty weird. I'm doing after video announcements after the demo of a ceiling fan. And try to get the fan on camera behind me. So yeah. Please expect a channel news episode. I'm gonna make a iMovie trailer for that. So yeah. Stay posted. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. And all that fun stuff that is awesome to my channel. That'll grow it, not decrease it. That'll increase the growth of my channel, not decrease it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Excuse me, bye.